Imagine the vast, silent theater of space. High above our world, a satellite named Pioneer Assembler 1 drifts through darkness. It is not here to gaze at galaxies or listen for alien signals. Its job is immediate, tangible. From a specialized array, a beam shoots downward. To our eyes, it would look like a long, faint, dashed purple line. A dotted pathway from orbit to Earth. It is a carefully phased electromagnetic field, a tool for construction. Below, specially designed tiles wait for their cue. M-BUT, magneto-responsive biphasic utility tile. FerraFlux, a shimmering, ferrous-rich composite. The dashed beam paints the ground with its signature. The dancers are poised. The conductor is ready. The beam is the unseen choreographer, a phased electromagnetic field. Electromagnetic means electric and magnetic components, just like light or radio waves. Phased means shape and intensity are programmable with exquisite precision. Like a concert array steering sound, phase shapes where energy lands. The satellite sculpts a three-dimensional energy landscape, a tapestry of strong and weak zones, peaks and valleys. Field gradients are the invisible pathways the tiles will follow. The dashed beam marks the most intense corridors of force. Programmability is power. Move lines, redraw paths, adjust intensity in real time. If a tile drifts, the field nudges it back. This is a continuous conversation between satellite and materials. A silent, invisible, immensely powerful tool for creation. How do tiles listen? Inside M-BUT and FerraFlux live countless magnetic dipoles. At rest, dipoles point everywhere, canceling one another. The phased field exerts a torque on every dipole, snapping them into alignment along lines of force. The once neutral tile becomes a temporary magnet, like a crowd before a concert, disorganized, facing every which way. A signal appears. Instantly, everyone faces the stage. The field is the headliner. Dipoles are the people. Alignment is step one, crucial to interact with gradients next. Without induced magnetism, tiles stay inert. With it, the field has something to grab. Now magnetized, tiles can be moved through a shaped field. The satellite sculpts strong and weak zones. Magnets seek stronger field. Tiles climb to intensity peaks. Aligned dipoles create a collective pull toward maxima. Motion is smooth, directed, like beads sliding on a wire. The dashed beam is the glowing destination sign. Think of a rubber sheet. A ball rolls into a depression. Our field is inverted. Tiles climb magnetic hills. Operators place hills and paths. Different tiles follow different routes simultaneously. Distinct paths, shared rendezvous, precise assembly points. A ballet in motion. Silent blocks following choreography toward the moment of connection. Touching is not enough. Tiles must lock. Both surfaces carry designed molecules, locks and keys. M-BUT hosts molecular cages. FerraFlux carries guests that fit those cages. The field brings surfaces into registry. Millions of cage guest pairs click in place. Like Lego sheets, studs meeting hollows across many points for cumulative grip. A field pulse supplies just enough energy to finalize the fit. Rapid, precise, aligned. This first lock holds position and prevents sliding while the stronger bond prepares to engage. Now the second mechanism, ionic bridging known as Linkion, activates. Ions are charged atoms that can form strong ionic bonds. Dormant compounds lie waiting within both tiles. A specific field frequency triggers them as contact occurs. Positive ions rush from M-BUT, negatives from FerraFlux. They assemble into a crystalline lattice, an ionic bridge that fuses tiles. Like two-part epoxy, separate parts inert, together they cure to permanence. Linkion transforms the click fit into a structural, permanent bond. The bond attains strength approaching the bulk materials themselves. Two tiles become one monolithic piece, fast, field-activated, and permanent. At the instant Linkion completes, a faint, harmless flicker appears along the seam. This is photoluminescence, chemical energy released as light, not heat. As ions settle into a low-energy lattice, a tiny fraction of energy emits as visible photons. Like a firefly's glow, chemical, cool, and brief. Across the site, fine lines flash and vanish as bonds complete. If a seam does not flash, it flags a weak connection, cueing the satellite to reapply the field or mark for inspection. That flicker is the system's signature. Connection complete and secure. Two primary tiles, M-BUT and FerraFlux, and the Linkion process at their interface. M-BUT, magnetically inert when off, strongly polarized when on, dense, load-bearing. It hosts molecular cages and positive ion sources for Linkion. FerraFlux, highly responsive, often lighter, ideal for cladding and delicate elements. It carries guest molecules and negative ion sources. Linkion is not a standalone material. It is a field-activated ionic reaction at the seam. Roles: M-BUT, structural base, initiates lock. FerraFlux, complementary part, initiates lock. Linkion, permanent bonding. A synergy of tailored materials and programmable fields enabling guided self-assembly. From a silent satellite to atomic interactions at a seam. A phased field orients dipoles, pulls tiles along invisible pathways. First a rapid supramolecular lock, then Linkion's ionic bridge for permanence. A brief cold flash confirms success. Fields are tuned to materials, safe for people, animals, and surroundings. Deploy shelters in minutes so responders can focus on rescue. Build in hazardous environments, even worlds away, directed from afar. This is a paradigm shift, from building with hands to instructing matter. The future is assembled on demand.